In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check OneDrive version. Knowing your OneDrive version is helpful when you're troubleshooting, confirming you have the latest features, or sharing details with support. I'll walk you through it clearly, and you can follow along right on your Windows desktop. First, look at your desktop and move your eyes to the bottom right corner of the taskbar where the notification area lives. You'll see a small upward-facing arrow that reveals more icons. Go ahead and click that arrow to expand the tray so all the background apps show up. This makes it easy to find the icon we need. Next, find the OneDrive cloud icon and click it. Depending on your account, this cloud might be white for a personal OneDrive or blue for a work or school OneDrive. Either way, it's the same app. Clicking the cloud opens a small OneDrive panel with quick actions and recent sync information. Now look for the settings gear icon in that panel and click it. The gear is the gateway to OneDrive's preferences and options. When you click it, you'll see a menu. From there, open the full settings window so you can access the detailed tabs. This is where we'll find the exact version information. Inside the settings window, make sure you're on the settings tab. You'll notice several tabs across the top, and the one labeled settings is where general preferences live. We're going to use it as our starting point, then navigate to the section that displays detailed app information. From here, click the About section. The About area is specifically designed to show what build of OneDrive you're running. It usually includes a version number that looks like a series of numbers separated by dots. This number is your official OneDrive version. You should now see the OneDrive version clearly listed. Take a moment to read it, and if you need to share it with support or reference it later, jot it down exactly as shown. If you're comparing versions, even small differences in the numbers can matter, so it's worth noting precisely. That's all there is to it. You opened the notification area, selected the OneDrive cloud, went into the settings gear, landed on the settings tab, and then opened the About section where the version number is displayed. If you update OneDrive or notice changes in behavior, it's a good habit to check this number again so you know exactly what build you're on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly find your OneDrive version anytime you need it.